Chairside replacement of Air King Mini push-button turbine cartridge. In this video, we will show you how to perform a chairside replacement of an Air King Mini push-button turbine cartridge. Start by inserting any friction grip burr into the head of the handpiece. Using the provided burr tool, turn the head cap counterclockwise until the head cap has disengaged completely from the threads. Set the head cap aside. Using the inserted burr, press backward gently to remove the old cartridge from the head. Once removed, use a cotton swab with handpiece lubricant applied to the tip to swab the inside of the head and remove any debris that may be present. Repeat this step where necessary. To insert the new turbine cartridge, align the pin on the turbine to the alignment pin in the head. Press the turbine gently until it sits flush in the head. Now, replace the head cap and twist clockwise until the head cap engages with the threads. Reapply the burr tool to the head cap and twist clockwise until the head cap is secure and unable to be tightened further. Your handpiece is now ready to be used.